I'm a dog like say when I don't eat.
Good morning, TikTok family. This is one of the reasons why I hide certain things from my kids and don't make them know my situation. Because yesterday I'm going to make the mistake and make my daughter go see my wallet. And she said the last me I go me and give her for her lunch money. She asked me, Daddy, what you going to eat later? I said, Mama, me alright, man. She said, but what you going to work? I said, I'm alright, man. So so when me I go work in the night, she call my phone and I said, Daddy, look between the component and set, you say $700. So I look, 700. Me I say, so mommy, what is $700 for what you eat? Look at girl said she don't eat no lunch. Cause she can't afford to eat lunch and know say me I go work later hungry. Jesus Christ. Tell me if the little girl in her try to make me cry or something. The whole night last night I couldn't even spend it. The whole night last night my belly full of joy. So in the morning now I gotta ask her how she manage. So why you leave it?
Because last time when you hungry, me always I got something to eat. I'm a dog like say when I don't eat.